Hi, I'm Justin from Power Sports East, and for July 2021, I'm doing a long-term review of Techmount's Gripper and Scorpion Vortex Air gloves. Now before I offer you my feedback, let's hit the streets of Wilmington so you can see how they perform firsthand on the road. So I've been using the Techmount Gripper since November 2020, and I've been really happy with its reliability thus far. It's very sturdy and keeps the phone stable. I don't see any vibrations when I'm riding around. I also really dig its low profile look, since other brands have a tendency to look really bulky when the phone's not attached to it. These are really easy to install for the handlebar kit. It comes with 3 spacers and also includes the inner diameter of that ring, so they're really easy to mount up. Techmount does offer a ton of kits, so you can install one on pretty much anywhere you can imagine on a motorcycle. Just remember to use a little drop of thread lock to make sure those bolts don't come loose from vibration over time. Mine's been rock solid for over 4,000 miles, so I feel very confident in recommending it to anybody looking for a very dependable phone mount. As for the Scorpion Vortex Air gloves, I've been wearing them for a month now and I'm really happy with them as well. They actually replaced a 12-year-old pair of Scorpion Claw 1 gloves, which are still holding together to this day, but they're looking a little ratty at this point. That's certainly a testament to Scorpion's build quality after tens of thousands of miles of abuse. So for the Vortex Air glove, they look just as good as they feel right out of the box. That carbon fiber knuckle is really nicely placed. It's not awkward like some other brands I've tried over the years. The mesh lets loads of air through, while that goatskin leather chassis in the top and the palm give you a fair amount of protection if you ever happen to go down. What I really liked is that touchscreen compatibility. It works perfectly every time. It's so nice not having to pull my gloves off at a light, just so I could change music or pick a different destination in my navigation. So if you're looking for a summer glove in the $60 range, you can't beat the Vortex Air glove. It's a lot of value for the money. So if you're interested in either of these products, please come check them out for yourself at Power Sports East in Bear, Delaware. Right now we're stocking the Techmount Gripper with a handlebar base and Scorpion Vortex Air gloves in the gray. I'm wearing the white for the video, which is just a preference of my own, and they also supply it in the black. We can certainly special order any sizes if we don't have them in stock at the moment, and that also includes Techmount's various bases, depending on what kind of ride you have. Thanks again for watching, and ride safe out there.